In September 2015, world leaders from 193 nations unanimously adopted 17 Sustainable Development Goals, or the SDGs. The SDGs provide an overarching framework for international development for the next 15 years and are bound by the aspiration to leave no one behind. All stakeholders, including companies and business enterprises, must act to resolve these global development challenges. SDG 5 seeks to achieve gender equality and empower all women and girls. The 2019 Global Gender Gap Index ranked India 112 out of 153 countries. Women and girls continue to be discriminated against, whether in terms of the opportunities they get or the value of their contributions in the economy and society. Over 90% women in the labor force are employed in the informal sector, characterized by long working hours, lack of social security, and benefits. According to official data, cases of sexual harassment rose by 54% between 2014 and 2017. Parallelly, their participation in the labor force has reduced by 8% over the past decade. In India, women earn 46 rupees less per hour than men for the same work. In corporate India, only 6% women are heads of companies. Women also lack equal rights, access, and control of economic resources. It is time companies and businesses accept their responsibilities towards achieving gender equality and empowering women and girls. Companies must enforce stronger safety and security measures for women at workplaces. Businesses must ensure that women are paid equally as men and are represented in managerial positions. And when women's rights are violated, they must ensure effective remedy for the victims of abuse and perpetrators are held to account. Transformative change, as envisioned by the SDGs, require transformative action by all. It is time to act for SDGs.